Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into your OkCupid dating app account. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to log into your account, here you can see the sign in option at the bottom. Tap on it. To log into your account, you need to make sure that you've already created your account before, and you can use the same login credentials over here to log into your account. If you have created your account with your phone number, you can enter the phone number over here. If you created your account before with the email, here you can see login with email option. Tap on it. Now here you can enter your registered email address and your password of your account. Once you enter your email address and your password, you can tap on this next button. It will send you the code to your number. You can copy that code and paste it over here. And again, you can tap on this next button, and there you go. That's how you can easily log into your account. You can now explore this app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.